How to top up balance on paper trading in TradingView. In this video, I am going to show you how to top up or increase the balance in your TradingView paper trading account. If your virtual funds are running low or you want to practice with a different account size, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. Then, open any chart and make sure your paper trading account is connected through the trading panel. Now, here's something important to know. TradingView does not have a separate top-up or add funds button for paper trading. Instead, you increase your virtual balance by resetting your paper trading account and entering a new starting balance. To do this, open the trading panel and locate your paper trading account. Click the settings or gear icon next to the account name. In the account settings, select Reset Account. A new window will appear where you can customize your paper trading account. Here you can enter your desired starting balance, choose your preferred account currency, and adjust the leverage settings if needed. After entering the balance you want, click Reset to confirm. Your paper trading account will restart with the new virtual balance you selected. Keep in mind that resetting your account will remove all open positions, pending orders, account history, and previous trades. If you want to keep your trading history, consider creating a separate paper trading account instead of resetting your existing one. Once the reset is complete, your new virtual balance will appear immediately, and you can continue practicing with your updated account size. Here's a pro tip: set your paper trading balance close to the amount of money you actually plan to trade in the future. For example, if you expect to start live trading with $2,000, use a similar virtual balance instead of an unrealistically large amount. This helps you develop better position sizing, risk management, and trading discipline. And that's how you can top up your balance on TradingView paper trading. Remember, the platform doesn't allow you to add funds directly to an existing paper account. The correct method is to reset the account with a new starting balance, or create another paper trading account with the balance you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.